In this exercise, I'm going to explain one of my favorite exercises to strengthen the hip as well as the back. So this is the DNS side-lying hip uprighting exercise. And what this is really great for is these muscles here, stabilizing here so that we don't get too much internal drive of the knee while we're doing things like walking, running, skiing, things like that. It's also a great stabilizer of the low back as well. So how we start this exercise is we're going to go up onto our elbow, just like this, and then get a nice 90-90 position with our legs. This angle here, in between the femur and the torso, should be a little bit less than 90 degrees. We may not want this exact 90-degree angle, just a little bit down, and people have a lot more or less issues with that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lift this leg up and then bring our arm straight ahead of us so that our humerus and our femur are parallel to each other. After that, we're going to rotate over until we start to feel our weight coming into where our knee is placed on the ground or table or wherever we're doing this exercise. We're going to make sure that our core is nice and stiff and that we're not sagging down like this. So we're going to be nice and straight spine, and then we're going to take a huge breath in and create nice intra-abdominal pressure. We're going to push the ground away, and then we're going to rotate, and then lift off of the ground. And we're going to lift off as much as we can. Now we're going to begin with just an isometric in this exercise until we become nice and stable there. And after that, we can start to incorporate more repetitions of the exercise, as long as we make sure that we're including this nice rotation before we come and lift up off of the ground. Keeping nice intra-abdominal pressure throughout, nice and stable in our spine, and really getting as much movement as we can out of this hip crease right here. So that is the DNS hip uprighting sequence.